how to reinstall your Gemini bottom bar. First, we'll remove the end caps from the bottom bar. And we'll decide if you want the shaped profile or the round profile in view. Then we need to figure out which of the inserts is the smallest, as this is the one we'll insert our fabric into. Flip the locking tape at the bottom of the fabric away from you, and guide it into the smaller sized insert. Use one hand to hold the fabric taut at the install side, and ensure you keep the fabric folded over when guiding the bottom bar on. This will secure the fabric and avoid it falling back out. Once attached, we can reinsert our end caps into either side of the bottom bar.